Guys, let's go Christmas shopping at Kmart. I just finished at the gym. We're going like this. I need to get a couple of things for a couple of friends, so I'm pretty excited about it. They have a lot of things on the skincare section that I want to show it to you guys. Let me show you something really cute, those. So they have many options for Christmas gifts. I like this Pamper Me option. They have the hair bag and the mask. It's a coconut overnight lip mask. They have the same one bag with the goggles. I prefer this one much more because you can put those ones at night if you have puffy eyes. That will be a really good one. They have this one for $16, but I don't think it's worth it. They have the Peptide moisturizer, the serum, the night serum, and the salicylic acid with a hairband as well, but I don't think it's worth it for $16. They don't have big quantities either, so not for me this one. Love these Sol de Janeiro dupes. They are so good. In those body mix, they are so good. I like this one a lot. This one is my favorite. It's the coconut one. They are 8 bags, so not bad. I feel like if you get one of those with one of those, even the perfumes, those are the perfumes, those are the body mists, it will be a really nice present for $16, so amazing. This one smells the same as the body mix. This one is super nice for kids. I don't have any kids, so I will not get it, but super nice present. It comes with lipstick, nail polish, lip glosses, lip creams, blushes, and some eyeshadows. It's super cute. $16. I don't need any hand washing, but look at this. They have 2 options. Super nice, but 6 packs is not worth it. Look at these macaron fizzers. 6 packs. Love them. I think this is such a cute present. If they have a bath, I will get it for a friend of mine. She loves this stuff. This year they have smashed it and they have bring a lot of advent calendars. This one is $30. It has 12 presents, a body mist, a body butter, body wash, hand cream, lip gloss, and a scrunchie. Not my favorite, but it's an option. We have another 12 day for $22, and this one is a makeup advent calendar. It has mascara, eyeliner, lip liner, plus, and a little bit of everything. That's a good option. This one is another one with 12 days, but I think I like it most for $22 as well. It comes with 12 lip piece collection, tinted lip balms, lip oils, and lip balms. Not sure about the ingredients in this one, but it's a nice one. This one is 12 days as well, $30. It comes with perfume, but the problem is like you cannot smell it, so it tells you here what they are, but you can't smell them. I like buying perfumes that I cannot smell because what happens if you don't like it? Those are super cute, but I wouldn't spend 30 bucks in fizzers. They are super cute though. Look at this. They are improving a lot because they also brought those roll-on perfumes, which is really cool. $16 though, not really good. When it comes to perfume, I don't think they have the best prices, but let me show you something that I really think it's worth it, and actually I think it's what I'm going to get. So it's this one. It comes with the body mix, the cream, and I'm not sure what's on. Oh, it's a lip balm. That's cool. It's $16. I think this is a great present. It smells delicious. Or this one, but this one is just body mixes, $16 as well, with the 3 body mixes. I don't know which one should I get. I don't know. I think the other one is much more complete. Let's get the other one. I'm going to find the coconut one. Here it is. Come with my mom. $16 for all these. I think it's the best present. I have never tried this body glow set, but it doesn't look bad at all. I mean, I don't really use these things, but if you like glowing, try this and let me know how it looks and how it stays. This is not a present for anybody, but I have found some headbands and I want to try them. This is a present for me because I deserve it. So let's get it. They have those really nice beauty organizers here. Let me show you. Super cute. And they're quite hard, which I like. They look good. Another option is this one for 30 bucks. I don't know if I will spend $30, but it's quite big, so it might be worth it. It's actually pretty nice. Look at that. Wow. Not bad for $30. And they have also some jewelry organizers for 60 bucks, which I think is out of control. Like, this is insane. Is this worth 60 bucks? I don't think so, sorry. I gave you 15 bucks. For men though, those sets are so cute. After shave, cleaning soap, and a little bit of everything. Super nice for $16. Love this travel kit also, but I just don't know if the products inside of it are good enough. They have a facial cleanser, body scrub, and a shampoo for 10 bucks. I feel they have put together really nice kits this year. Yes, those are in this. Guys, a friend of mine has a doggy, so I'm looking for a present for the doggy. Look at this, look at this. It's $10. Oh, this one is so cute too. 10 bucks. But look at this Christmas set. I think he will enjoy it much more. It's 10 bucks also, but it has a bone, a toy, some balls. I think he will like it much more. What do you guys think? Okay, we have 3 presents already and I need a couple more. You know what? I was looking for those cookie baskets that they normally have for $20 or $30, but they said that it's too early for that, so I can't get them today. I had to come to the yin wear because I'm obsessed with it all the time on the yin, so. What do you guys think of this jacket? I'm obsessed with the color and it's $15, which is not bad. Is it a yes or a no? Sometimes here you can find some good things, but overall I don't really like the fabric. I just feel like the material is not good. I don't know, even when you touch it, it's ugh. But the styles are quite nice. I have seen them online for 60 bucks, but obviously they have another fabric. This is just not good. Guys, the material is polyester. I don't know what's happening with me in that material, but I hate it. And you know what else I hate? My hair. Looks like I got hit by lightning. I don't know what happened after the gym. Like, insane. Guys, I found some cookies. They just have those ones. They haven't bring anything else, so I will have to wait. But $5, those are nice. And before I finish this video and I go to another store because I'm not finding what I want, I decided to come to the Christmas section because it's Christmas. I'm 30 years old and I love those toys. Anybody else? They actually sing. I have this one at home actually, and they sing. Obsessed with these stockings. I have one with my name, obviously. Those are crazy. I wouldn't get this one, but so cute. And look at this giant bow. It's $8, obviously it's not worth it. This is plastic, pure plastic. So no, but it's super cute. It's like living in Christmas land. I love it. Those are stunning. I have the smaller version. Those are $29. I have those ones. Super nice. This is a dead tree. I don't know what happened to it. Like, looks so sad there. And look at this random pillow that I found just here in the middle of anywhere. I don't even know how much it costs, but super funny. I love this thing here. So squishy. I feel that they have a bigger selection of Santa Clauses here than Target. Love them. Guys, overall I think I did a good buy. Hopefully they like it. I'm missing 2 presents, so I don't know what to do. I will have to go somewhere else, but I think I did pretty well, honestly. And we need some chocolates, obviously. Everybody deserves chocolates in Christmas. Look at this Toblerone for 20 bucks. I should buy it and hit somebody with it. So be careful, I might get you. Oh, look at this one. I love the box. 14 bucks. But those Raphael are not bad either. Love the coconut and the almond, so it's a good one, but I don't know if everybody likes it. The problem with Ferrero is that the boxes are super cute. So you end up buying them, but they're super expensive. Those are nice too, $14, but they are not worth it. It's like they don't have enough chocolates. You're paying for the bird. And Lindt ones, I don't know what's happening with those ones. I used to like them, but not anymore. I don't know. No, they lost flavor. I don't know what happened with them. But no, I think I will go to the supermarket and check the prices there. And then if they're cheaper here, I will come back. Guys, I guess found a friend. Let me show you. A friend I didn't see for a long time, the Grinch. That's super fun. Some people should take it home. I'm just joking, guys. Let's go pay. I really need to get out of here because I will end up spending all my money and I don't want that. Every time I come to pay something, this is what I say. The advent calendars, and you know what? I love them. I would love to take one, but honestly I'm going to go to the supermarket and get it there because normally here the chocolates are not that good. And it's like you end up paying 10 bucks and the chocolates are not even good. So let's just get what I said I will get and hopefully my friends love it. Oh my god, guys, somebody just got caught stealing. But yeah, I got what I needed. Hopefully my friends like it. And hopefully you guys got some good ideas for your Christmas presents. Thank you very much for watching. And I see you next time. Bye.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.